Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a build on the pan and tilt for micro servos. I picked this one up at a local hobby shop at Sphere. We're also going to need 2 9-gram servos. Okay, first thing we're going to do is open up the package and let's make sure we got all the parts we need. Okay, so once you've opened up the package, you should have about 4 pieces here and a bunch of screws. Alright, so what we're going to do is set aside these 3 pieces for now and concentrate on this one. Alright, you're going to see it has a cross on it, and this is what we're going to be using to mount the servo arm. So we're going to open up the servo package, which is, okay, let's remove one of these arms, and what we're going to want to do is line it up one of these and cut it down to size. So I'm going to cut these on each end to fit right in here, so let's do that. Okay, that's how it looks. Okay, so we'll go ahead and mount it in here. Okay, there we go. Now we're just going to attach the screws. Go ahead and screw it in. That's 1, 2. There you go. What we're going to do next is center the servo. Okay, so what we're going to do is plug it in that way. The button here that automatically centers the servos. So now that we know the servo center, we can disconnect and take the servo and plug it in right there. Okay, once we get the servo plugged in there, we're going to take our screw for the servo and screw it in. Now that one's fastened, we can move on to the next one. Okay, moving on to the next step, we're going to be taking these 2 pieces here, have those angles on them, and I'm going to pop one on one side, like so. And you're going to notice that the wire is on that side. Take the next one, pop it in place. Let's try to get rid of the gaps that's there. Okay, there we go. So now we're going to take these 2 screws and pop them on the ends here, screw them into place. Okay, there we go. Get ready for the next step. Okay, so now we got that completed. We're going to be mounting on the next servo into place. So to do that, we're going to need another servo arm, and we're going to have to trim it down to size. Take the scissors and cut it down as I did before. And that's good. So we're going to be taking the 2 small little screws and screwing them in. Okay, for the next step, we're going to take a servo. And the last piece that we have left here, what we're gonna do is make sure that we have the servo opposite of this little hole here, and these little wings on top of these two little edges here. So it'll be just like this. And we're gonna take 2 screws and screw them right into place. Okay, so once you've done that, you're gonna mount this onto the other piece that you assembled. And what you're gonna do, make sure that the servo goes into this piece, and that whole side is gonna snap onto that on this one right there. So what we'll do is first put the servo head in. There you go. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the servo wire, pass it through the little hole there, send it on back. So both your wires should be on the back side. Your final assembly should look just like this. I hope this video helps. I'll leave all the parts in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.